Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to share with you a quick tip I learned to remove my cakes from my cake pans without damaging the pan itself. So tip number 1. You want to use a palette knife or something that is thin and not sharp. Or you can use a blunt butter knife. And another option is to use a silicone butter knife because it will be very gentle to your cake pan and it will not scratch it. And tip number 2, instead of dragging your palette knife like this and scratching the walls of the cake pan, you want to just gently insert the tool you're using in between the cake and the wall of the pan and then lift it up again. So this way you are saving your pan from damage. And that is how I get my cake out of the cake pan. I hope this video was helpful for you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon!